Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OAuth for ClickUp with Microsoft Teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize OAuth for ClickUp with Microsoft Teams, begin by navigating to the ClickUp website. Log in to your ClickUp account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile picture located in the bottom left corner. From the menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, find Microsoft Teams and click on it. You will see an option to authorize Microsoft Teams. Click on the Authorize button to initiate the OAuth process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log in to your Microsoft account. Enter your Microsoft account email and click Next. Input your password and click Sign In. If prompted, complete any multi-factor authentication steps. Upon successful login, you will see a permissions screen asking to allow ClickUp access. Review the permissions carefully and click Yes or Accept to proceed. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to ClickUp, confirming the integration is successful. You can now start using ClickUp within Microsoft Teams. To set up notifications, return to the Integrations section. Customize your notification settings based on your preferences. Test the integration by sending a message in Microsoft Teams. Confirm that ClickUp responds appropriately to your message. Congratulations! You have successfully authorized OAuth for ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.